Hi. Okay, welcome to the formulation of the base cream. Let me add quickly the base cream that is on my channel, that is obviously the one of the videos that have the highest view. There was the addition of titanium dioxide, but you know that was like 3 or 4 years ago video, right? And there's a lot of updates in skincare. Now we have dedicated sunscreens for the face as well as dedicated sunscreens for the body. So you really do not need to provide any protection besides the protection that was even added in that base cream was not even the full proper protection, but at least something is better than nothing, right? Okay, let me don't waste too much time. Very long lifespan. If you want to introduce any other oil, feel free to do that. Then we have the mineral oil as an occlusive. Even though mineral oil has had its back and forth, but to be honest with you, mineral oil is very important, especially for the skin of color, especially for the melanin, of course, skin of color as well as melanated skin. Then we have vegetable glycerin. Obviously, there's no how we can make a base cream without a level of humectant. Then we have the xanthan gum, which also is also another rheology builder. Is it optional? Yes. Can you change to other gums? Yes. Can you do guar gum? Can you do carboma? Can you do natrosol? Can just, it is basically the polymer gum that is there, so you can substitute it for any other one that suits you. I decided to use it as my own polymer gum of choice. Then we have vitamin E, which is an antioxidant. Is very, very important. You can't do it with it. Then we have preservative. Obviously, oil and water formulation cannot do without preservative, otherwise it's going to grow mold, it's going to grow bacteria. Okay, so without wasting so much of your time, I have already pre-measured everything. This is our preservative here. This is our vitamin E, right? Preservative, like I told you, I'm using Finos Ethanol today. You can do Jama Plus if you like. Then this is our occlusive oil. Then this is our Korea oil. Then here already I have combined two phases here, that is the humectant and the polymer gum. Obviously, if you look at my other video, you realize how it is being converted to a puree. And then okay, then here we have all of the waxes. Yes, we have the waxes on the recipe. All of them are here because they're all going to be melted, right? So I'm just going to go in now with my Korea oil into the waxes. Obviously, you know the drill, right? So for us to double boiling is very, very key. Obviously, how do you get your oil and wax together? That's why it is called water and oil formulation. Okay, so basically water and oil, right? So please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, or if you're just don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, you will get more tips over there as well. So I've added the oil in it, the Korea oil in it. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to mix this into a proper puree. Let's keep this by the side. They're going to come in handy when it's time. So just mixing it. Then the water, I will now add the water in here. So every day we have updated versions of everything. Okay, is this polymer gum optional? Yes, it is optional. If you don't want to formulate with it, it's fine. Do you understand? It's okay. If you want to formulate with another form of polymer gum, it's still very okay. Like I personally tell my cosmetic formulators, you don't need to stick to one thing. Like, try and diversify, look for other options. Okay, other better, safer better options, obviously. Okay, to get the complete video tutorial on how to make your base cream from the scratch, there's going to be a link in the description section or in the comment section directing to my membership section. So just support a cosmetic formulator.